Welcome to the Leading Site News.
Freshers Meet 2025 celebrate with enthusiasm at Chokihola Higher Secondary School. Chokihola, Karbi Anglong, 14 June 2025. The 7 students Freshers Meet of Chokihola Higher Secondary School was celebrated with great energy and festive spirit on Saturday, 14 June 2025. The event, which began at 9 a.m., was attended by more than 300 students, staff, and distinguished guests. The program was inaugurated with a warm welcome note by Compere Bikas Tiron and student Asia Tiron P. The chief guest of the event was Mr. Sunil Tiso, a well-known social worker who was warmly felicitated alongside other respected dignitaries including Mr. Kiri Rongpi, Assistant BDO Nili Block, Mr. Eton Tokbi, Senior Citizen and Ex-Veterinary Officer, Mr. Horeswar Bora, Ex-Headmaster Chokihola High School, Mr. Bapuram Rongpi, President SMDC, Mr. Edwardson Ronghang, Vice President SMDC, Mr. Kolom Singh Tiron, CEO of the Leading Site News, and Mr. Samson T, News Correspondent Karbi Anglong Live. The highlight of the event was the Mr. and Miss Freshers Hunt 2025 for the newly admitted HS first year students. After a round of lively performance and talent showcase, Miss Sertina Tokbipi was crowned Miss Freshers 2025, while Mr. Aryan Tiso was declared Mr. Freshers 2025. Various cultural events added flavor to the occasion, including English and Assamese songs, Hindi remix, dance, and group performance in Karbi and Assamese. Several invited guests delivered motivational speech encouraging students to strive for academic excellence and personal growth. The event concluded with a word of thanks by Boche BP, followed by a group lunch for all the attendees. Kolom Singh Tiron report, the Leading Site News.
I am Roli Kiling P and I'm basically from Dolamara, but currently I am residing at Chokihola, Topi village here itself. I have completed my 10th class from Malin English High School from Dolamara. Now I am currently studying in HS first year at Chokihola Higher Secondary School. Thank you.
Happy to welcome you on this Friday. Our spirit is so high, we're so happy to welcome you as we gather here today. Your blessing and your presence make us rejoice as we gather here today. Your blessing and your presence make us rejoice on this Friday. Our spirit is so high.
Chief guests and our teaching staff, teachers, and our school principal, Sir Dr. Narendra Roham. My name is Arki Roham, and I'm from Samson High School. I passed out my matriculation from high school, and I'm from Sangilangso, Sartinti village. And I presently study in Chokihola High Secondary School. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Respected teachers, principals, chief guests, seniors, juniors, and all my dear friends. My name is Raj Das. I am from Dimapur, Nagaland. I recently passed my matriculation exam from St. Thomas Higher Secondary School, Dimapur, and now I am pursuing my higher studies at Chokihola Higher Secondary School. My aim in life is to become a cricketer because cricket is not just a game to me. Because I love to play cricket. And thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Minong Pro. I am from Chokihola Moikro.
So, Honorable Chief Guest of today's Freshers Function, Mr. Sunil Tuso, our beloved social worker, and esteemed distinguished guests, Mr. Atom Topi, the first ever veterinary officer and senior citizens of our area. Also, we have Mr. Horisol Bora, ex-headmaster of this Chokihola High School, Mr. Bapuram Rompi, the president, not the vice president of Chokihola Higher Secondary School SMGC, and also Mr. Edwardson Longham, the vice president of Chokihola CHSS SMDC, Mr. Kolom Singh Charon, the CEO, Chief Executive Officer, and also the Chief Editor of the leading site news channel, Mr. Samson Inti, the news correspondent from Chokihola Live, Nilay Chokihola. My dear esteemed staff,